guys, welcome back to Everyday Kids. Today we are going to be making slime. We can use foam beads, shaving cream, and glitter. Of course, our activator. And we have another bottle of shaving cream and another bottle of activator. We have a lot of things. Yeah. Get started. And I'm gonna make fluffy and foam.
I'm gonna make
with glitter.
No, you're gonna do.
I'm doing
sit
glitter.
down so they can
I'm gonna
see.
do glitter.
I'm doing glitter. Or do you want?
We can both do all of it if you want.
Yeah. So they might turn off. What? No, it's never. Hallie, shh. Daniel, we're doing a YouTube video.
That's our brother. He has a YouTube channel, so go and check it
No
out.
one cares about that channel.
Yeah, he hasn't made it good. He doesn't make it good.
No, he hasn't even made a video. Say what? Don't care about who?
That's my brother.
He's kind of annoying.
You are annoying. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, got my glue in. I'm gonna add glitter now, so it can stick in. I want purple and pink.
Alright, there's good colors. This one, this one, this one, this one,
Can't add
this one, and Hallie, your purple. Her purple.
or pink or I need some more.
I haven't even added my glue.
Purple. I'm adding a lot because I want it to be sparkly. But we're not going to use glue dye today.
Because there's good enough. We don't need it.
Glitter. Yay, glitter, go, glitter.
I'm gonna add shaving cream.
Oh, I just looked at my spoon. So
Wait, I should have shaped it.
I'm gonna add a little bit of. So much.
Who cares? It's just a little bit.
Hey, I'm gonna.
This one. Mine's gonna be a really fluffy. Really fluffy, I mean.
Oh,
When I say
it grows. What? I'm not adding a lot. No, I can't see my glitter. More glitter. More. I think I got so much. I'm gonna add some too. But first, I want to see all glitter. That's enough.
I know.
Wait, where did you open it?
Just pour it. It's like at the top.
Okay, you just add a little.
Barely ever tried a foam bead slime.
I have. I made once. But we have the color ones. We used to. I just used to. Not do that. More foam. Here's my slime. I want more foam beads. It's not going to be crunchy. Caleb, what did you do? Why is it everywhere? Guys, okay, show the camera, Caleb.
No.
It's so messy over there, and mine is like clean. Look at mine.
No one really cares.
I'm getting some of his because.
All right, we'll clean it up, Mom. Mine's gonna be like so fluffy. Oh my gosh! Stop! Don't. It's not even.
This is like.
Mine's one of the fluffiest slimes, but I'm starting to make it less sticky. my sleeves. Soon it's gonna come off. And all these foam beads that are on the table.
Why did you do that? Like,
No,
why?
they fell out because there's so much shaving cream.
I know. My hint. You already put activator in? I haven't even did any.
I've already put like.
Remember last time what happened? Yours was bad. And mine is not activating. Because I add too much. Maybe. I know what it is. Guys, and make sure to not ruin yourself.
Don't worry, it's my slime. Can you pull my sleeve back? Do you have any dirty hands? Not that one, the other. Behind me. Oh, no foam beads. That's why I'm getting them off the table. This is good glittery. Oh yeah, I added blue glitter. A really fluffy slime, guys. Really fluffy. I don't need any more fluff. Yeah. This is so good. Y'all should really make this.
You should make fluffy slime. It's so satisfying. I'm just working at mine, and you're like,
I'm already
"Here's my
playing,
slime."
making satisfying sounds with my slime.
I want to make sure mine is awesome.
Guys, also comment down below if you want us to make like another like what episode, like what video do you want us to make?
Okay, I'm going in with all my hands.
Like another video you guys want us
Okay,
to
now I think you're gonna have to help me. Can you add activator?
make? A lot? How much?
I'll just tell you. Stop.
I think it needs just more.
Okay. Because Hey, stop! No, no.
Do you want it?
No.
They're gonna see it.
Okay.
We wouldn't do that for the whole video. I'm the
Oh,
fluffy
by the
slime
way-
mix.
Well,
Fluffy slime mask.
with this.
Foam beads are falling out. We should do a video of like adding too much in slime.
Yeah.
Adding too many foam beads.
Can you
the whole bag of foam beads.
Can you add
Shaving cream?
no, yeah.
Shaving cream.
Wait, can you
actually
take
works.
out my spoon?
Take it all. Alright. Or should this go just in my bowl? Get off. What? Shaving cream? Yeah.
No. No
You
shaving
said shaving
cream.
cream.
Guys, by the way,
No, this is not working out. Now mine is working.
no, yes, mine is.
Sorry, guys.
Okay, guys, the camera just fell. Please.
so good.
I need more
It has to
activator.
end soon. Guess it's already 10 minutes.
Can you please put activator?
So we'll show you when our slimes are all ready.
Hey guys, we have our slimes.
They're good. Yeah. So
So yeah, that's another video. But please subscribe, turn on notifications, and please give us huge thumbs up. So yeah. Yeah. Bye.
bye.